Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Ka Garo Indigenous Development Federation, but ka Garo State Movement Committee, Northern Zone, Hanegasngi, Kalapa, the Kajingto, Shaw Menteri Rangba Kajala, Man Kerpat Yu, Man Punshitam, Yakibadon Kti, Hakikam, Penkenyan. Habakran Chikin Nang Tok Bor, General Secretary, ka Garo Indigenous Development Federation, George and Marak Ulaitu, Baka Sengal Panpawi Kijing Persha, Yakajingit Palatput Junkitrok Kidawyong, but Kiway Pat Kitrok, Kibakit Ikimarbam, Kibala Punjulor, Yak Surogba, NH Nripuar. Kajingya Junkini Kitrok, Kala Punjulor Kani Kusurogba, Ula Ongru, Bakisang Balang Baper, Kujupun Pau, Yakane Kamat, Hanrei Kasorkar, Kampatiaw AA. Nagalang Jonka Kanun, Kiladawaru Ya Usiam, Ba Uday Bun Paikmat, Halor Kini, Badban Punshitam, Yakitu Gibapan Ken.
Is the chairman of Garo State Movement Committee, Rahul Alma. Today I want to brief. I've already submitted a complaint letter to Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, regarding the illegalities occurring in Meghalaya daily by daily. The first point is that NH-62 has been already damaged due to this overloading coal trucks, as well as commercial trucks like stone boulder, sand, and other commercial trucks of 16 to 18 tires. But not only this road has been damaged, the peoples has been raising, a lot of NGOs has been raised about this question regarding this coal, overloaded coal, but actually the scenery has been seen that not only the coal-loaded trucks has been damaging this road, but others trucks also damaging daily. And 90% of these vehicles plying through this NH-62 has been invalid documents, carrying invalid documents. But the government department of transport department has not been checking anything. Then other thing is that second point is that after the ban of this NGT red hole mining, but the red hole mining has been still continuing in West Kasir Salang area, and there are many coke factories still running today also illegally. More than 100 to 200 trucks are still plying today. Coke factories are still continuing, but the question arises that how this coke has been maintaining. The illegal mining has been continuing. This coal has been transporting daily in 14 to 16, 18 tire trucks, pretending to be carrying as a coke. But the government department has been not taking any action against this 14 to 16 tire trucks which are carrying coal. The third point is that the cattle smuggling has been continuing daily basis. Now the government department has been either checking this 500 to 1,000 cattle are daily exporting from from Assam via Dainedubi to Bangladesh with tight hands, tight mouths, not the legal documents also they carry. Neither they have a veterinary permission, neither they have a professional check from the GCDC. And other thing is that as per from the complaint from the coal trucks drivers and all, there are collection from the government department like Nongleh PS 2000, Nengkrap Police Outpost 500, Obu Police Outpost 500, Daruguri Police Patrolling Party 200, Rongjik Patrolling Police 300, Rongmul and many more. Starting from Nongleh PS to Dainedubi PS, total cost the truck owners has to spend almost 1 lakh to 40 to 50,000 for transportation illegally. And as per the report from the coal trucks owners, the State District Mineral Resources Dainedubi has been collecting 6,000 to 8,000 per truck from the owners, even though they have a challan also. Then the Motor Vehicle Inspector in Sarangma collecting 16,000 to 19,500, but day before yesterday they are collecting 22,000. Even though if they have a challan also, even though if they fine also, but still also they're still collecting more and more. Another 5 point is that the challan has been openly been selling for the cost of 75,000 to 80,000. Challan. Mineral transport challan has been selling for 75 to 80,000 openly market in the Dainedubi area. So it's a great embarrassment to the government, as well as a great loss for the truck owners also. And even though there is no strict for the Meghalaya government. It's a very great embarrassment to the government also, and it's affecting the society also. So I have already submitted a complaint issue to the Chief Minister to take to form and constitute a committee to inquire how far it is true, and if there is a true fact, then the government must take a legal action against them. I said that they are also very illegal because they don't have a valid documents also.
Coal owners.
Yes, coal owner doesn't have a valid documents applying to NH-62. 100% from 90%, all the truck owners doesn't have legal documents. Another part is that the coal owners association is also collecting 7,000 at Wagesi area, but this association never informs to the owners. But the main problem is that the owners are also facing a lot of problems because of this association also, but they never give advice to the owners that this is happening. They are already handling everything. So point is that if you buy all this collection has been made through this Nongleh PS and every department, it includes almost 1,40,000 to 70,000 it goes Balbali. So problem is that owners are facing very problem. So regarding this, because actually what is happening, because a lot of NGOs has been raised this question regarding the overloading of coal. Not only the coal loaded has been damaging this road, boulder stones has been heavily plying, sand also plying, and other commercials carrying a 60 to 50 tons. These commercial trucks also been damaging this road. Not only the coal trucks. My point is that each and every truck should be checked, which are overloaded. Not only questioning about the coal trucks. I'm not pointing about the coal trucks. The main point is that these other commercial trucks also been damaging daily. For Garo is a place where we have to look over it. Not only the demanding of a separate state, we have to look over all land also. What is going on in illegalities. So if you want people to look how the illegalities is going on, then we cannot move about that further. So my point is that the Garo State Movement Committee is taking this issue, that some kinds of illegals should be tackled from the core area. So if you won't take the core, the illegals going on, if Garo suppose we have a Garo land, then illegals already been corrupted our area. What is the use of being? Limitation of 12 tons, but they are carrying 28 to 29 tons. But now what is going on? I'm not only targeting about the coal, I'm targeting each and every trucks who are flying through overloaded, which are damaging. But I've seen many of the NGOs has raised about this coal, regarding only coal. But actually, as my experience, there are many trucks daily flying. But you see, coal trucks has been flying only in the season at the time of the government release. But for whole year, the other trucks, commercial trucks, which are flying daily with overloaded, they should be checked. Not only coal trucks, these commercial trucks should be checked by the government department. But the department has not given any such statement regarding this checking also. They never check. To your group also, if you want, audio recording also, if you want. There are a lot of middlemen of this, those from Josmon, who got this PFOM Chalan and all, na? Josmon, Jia, and many more are there who got the PFOM authorized one. Then they send some middlemen to the market area. 75 to 80,000. Yesterday, day before yesterday, it was 78. Then it comes to 65. Then it comes again to 80. Minimum 68. But the middleman has been selling openly out there for 75 to 80 cost, which hampers the truck owners and exporters also. And after that, if the challenge rate is 75 to 80,000, then the cost of the collection which has been collected from Nongleh to Dynadibi area, it costs about 1,40,000 plus 60 to 80,000 plus, it will cost around 2,10,000. There is no profit for the exporters. Why this has been happening? Why these people are collecting money from them? Because they don't have a valid documents for that reason. So they must be, the government must take action against them also, and the government must take against the department also, if there is illegality going on. So I told the Chief Minister also, I've informed to them also, the government must form a committee and inquire how far it is true, early as possible, so that this type of occurrence should not go on. It's a great embarrassment for the Nongleh government as well as for the department as for the society also, but in a bad condition now. But I hope that by this year, by rainy season, it will totally be damaged. Almost it is affected after 2 kilometers.